Hello everyone. As you can see, I am washing my aloe vera in preparation for making hair oil. After washing it, I will cut off the edges to remove the yellow sap and the thorny sides. Make sure you remove them properly so they do not affect your oil or your hair. Stay with me until the end of this video so you can learn a lot. After washing the aloe vera, I dry it using tissue paper. You can also use a towel, but make sure your aloe vera is completely dry before blending because it should not contain excess water. Once it is dry, I cut it into small pieces as you can see. After drying, all the moisture is gone, so I transfer it into the blender for blending. Now my aloe vera is ready for blending. For this recipe, I will use 1 glass of coconut oil. My coconut oil had solidified, but I melted it. I am using 1 glass of coconut oil. Next, I will add almond oil. I will also use 1 glass. This oil is very expensive. After that, I will use avocado oil and I will add 1 glass of it as well. First, I am adding the almond oil, 1 full glass as you can see. Then I add the avocado oil, also 1 full glass. After adding all my oils, I blend the mixture thoroughly. Make sure you blend it well until it becomes smooth. Look at how beautiful it looks. Once blending is complete, I move on to cooking the mixture. I place the mixture on the stove and continue stirring gently. Make sure your heat is medium, not too high and not too low. Keep stirring continuously because we want to prevent it from burning or sticking to the bottom of the pot. Continue stirring until the mixture changes to the color you want. As you can see, my mixture is now ready and the oil is prepared. However, I am not finished yet because there are still a few ingredients I need to add. First, I will add rosemary, about 1 tablespoon. This is the amount I personally prefer. After that, I add moringa powder. As you can see, I am using 2 tablespoons of moringa powder. Moringa powder and rosemary are ingredients that should be included in any hair oil. Even if you are not cooking the oil, you can infuse them for 5 days or even 2 weeks. Make sure you always include moringa, rosemary, and cloves whenever possible. Today I do not have cloves, so I am using only moringa powder and rosemary because they are also very important ingredients. I will mix everything again and allow the mixture to simmer for about 5 more minutes. After that, I remove it from the heat and let it cool down gradually. Once it has cooled, I return to strain the oil. As you can see, make sure you strain your oil properly. First, I use a regular strainer, and later I use a stocking filter. The reason is that the powdery residue should never remain in your oil. If the powder mixes with the oil and you apply it to your hair, it may cause problems and could damage your hair. That is why I strain it again. As you can see, I strain it a 3rd time to make sure the oil is completely clean and safe to use. Here is our finished oil. I divided it into 2 portions. Why did I divide it into 2? Because I need to use 1 portion today and tomorrow, while I will store the other portion for future use. You can keep it anywhere, but do not store it in the refrigerator. Our mixture is finally ready, and we have successfully made our hair oil. Now I am pouring it into my favorite bottle for future use. Thank you so much for joining me. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to comment, like, and share. And be sure to turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to receive my new videos whenever I upload. Thank you so much. I love you all.
Nilikuona by the ocean side, waves zikisema your name so light. My heart ikaanza kufeel tofauti. Baby, that night changed my life. Yeah. Baby, ukiniangalia hivi ninapotea, I can't even breathe. Your love ni deep kuliko bahari, na sasa wewe ndo story. Kila siku nakuwaza tu. Your touch feels like deja vu. Dunia ikiwa na kelele nyingi, we found love so pure, so sweet. Nishike closer, don't let go. My heart iko fast, losing control. Usiku ni wetu wawili, let the rhythm take control slowly. Nisike baby, stay with me. Hii feelings si kawaida kweli.